The next negative trait of the soul is seeking compensation from people after helping them. A Muslim should understand that if they act for the sake of people, they will gain no reward from Allah, the Exalted. In fact, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154, on Judgment Day, they will be told to seek their reward from the people who they acted for, which will not be possible. Only when a Muslim acts for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will they gain reward from him. A proof of this correct intention is when one does not seek compensation or gratitude from others after helping them. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 264.
O you who have believed, do not invalidate your charities with reminders of it.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.